In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off suggested contacts when sharing on iPhone. Let's get started. First, navigate to any of the picture. Now click on the share option. You're going to get different contact options that are being suggested. Now how to turn it off. For that, press and hold on any of the contact. You're going to get this option suggest less. With this, the selected person will be suggested less from now onwards. If you want to completely turn it off, what you want to do is close this, launch your settings. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now scroll down. Here you're going to find the option of Show Suggestions. You'll need to disable for the option. Likewise, disable for the option Show Recents. And that's it. This is how you can easily disable suggested contacts when sharing on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.